One and all, welcome back to my regular series of news blogs. I'm here at Cardiff Winter Wonderland, hive of activity, lots going on as people get ready for the festive period coming up in the next couple of weeks. There's been a huge amount to look back on and to celebrate in terms of Cardiff in the last 12 months. We were recognised by the residents themselves in Cardiff as being the third best capital city to live in Europe. We've seen significant improvements in many services across the council, particularly in our schools, and it's a big credit to both pupils and to parents and teachers that we've seen that improvement, and we want to see that of course continue into the future. And we made significant progress too in terms of the development of Cardiff. Central Square is being transformed with a new bus interchange and the development there with BBC. So there's a lot that's happened in the past year, and obviously as we look forward to the next 12 months, equally a great deal to be excited about too. We've got that Champions League final coming up, the biggest sporting event anywhere in the world in 2017, and a great deal more happening, including the building of much needed affordable housing in Cardiff. We've got one of the biggest council house building programmes underway now in the city, and that's something that we want to see develop. But obviously now is a time to celebrate, to spend time with family and friends, and wish you all a very Merry Christmas indeed. Nadolig Llawen, a blwyddyn newydd dda.